So, hi, it's me, Denny Daniel. It's me, Denny Daniel of the Museum of Interesting Things, and I'm at the very famous City Reliquary Collectors Night, which we've been doing for
14 years.
14 years, which is unbelievable. So I bring my collection, and everyone is here with their collections. And I have with me one of the board members, Jacob, who's going to do, there he is, who's going to do a box opening, a package opening. I've got these 3 here, and I do it like a 40-second sheep shell game. So I mix them up like that, and then you pick a package to open. Good choice, an interesting package. And then, I don't know, just try to rip that open carefully. I'm probably going to save that one. It looks so interesting.
Does look interesting.
Yeah, it's got great stamps.
Postcard.
It's a postcard, and oh, it's a suffragette postcard, because the suffragettes wasn't just a movement to get women to vote. It was also a movement to get them to get jobs, to ride bicycles, for fashion. So now that they didn't have to wear bustle dresses, they could actually ride a bicycle. So there's a woman riding a bicycle, and this one is postmarked and everything. It's probably wow. We have to find her.
Yeah.
And it's got a divided back, so it's probably like 1909, 1910, something like that. That's a really cool one.
Yeah, that's great.
So now when we display that, we'll be like, can you open that?
I hope you did not treadle in bed at night on the bicycle.
Oh my God! It actually mentions the bike. That's even cooler.
I would sooner learn you to ride than clean the home up as you have sent me to do.
That is probably one of the coolest written ones ever.
Yeah.
Because normally they would just put their address and their name and write no note. The postcard was the note. And in fact, I heard in the beginning we weren't allowed to write a note.
Where's Ferncliff Dingley?
I don't know. Yeah, God only knows. Well, it's an American stamp? Yes, I think. Is that an American stamp? It's upside down. It is.
Half penny.
A half penny.
Half penny. That was British.
So they did have, yeah, but America also had half pennies. We had half pennies too.
Okay.
Let's say bye to the world. Bye,
Nailed
world.
it.